Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to remove followers from your Facebook page. So let's go to the Facebook page first. Make sure you are on your Facebook page, not your Facebook ID. How you can recognize this? You have to click on this profile icon, which is top right corner. Then you can see here your Facebook profile name and your Facebook pages. Okay, if you want to switch your Facebook profile to Facebook page, you have to click on this icon. Then it will be automatically go to the page. Then you have to click on this profile name or the Facebook page name. Then you have to click on this followers. If you can't find the followers here, you have to click on more and find from here. Okay, so click on followers. And if you don't want this guy, or if you want to remove followers one by one, you have to do it one by one. You cannot do it all together. You have to click on that three dot and you have to click on block. Okay, if you click on confirm, that person will be blocked and you lose one follower. So this is how you can remove followers from your Facebook page. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.